Joy Gurudev, Joy Ma Shambhu Mahadev. Now, during the auspicious month of Shravan, I'm going to teach you a very powerful remedy to fulfill your desires, to attain knowledge, to attain wealth, worldly pleasures, and to fulfill impossible desire also. This is a very powerful, very simple, and a very hidden ritual of Lord Shiva. So, if you are not having faith on this, please don't try it. This ritual can be done on all the days of the month of Shravan, or any Monday, or any full moon or no moon night. It must not be done in the day, it must only be done in the night. Unfortunately, the days in English are known as Monday. It has to be known as Monday and night both are Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, up till Saturday it is day, all day, Sunday. Night, I don't know why they don't consider. So on Monday night, no moon, Amavasya night or Purnima night, you can do it, or any day of Shravan you can do it. You can also have a sankalp of doing it for 11 Mondays, 4 Mondays, or the whole month of Shravan, or you can take up the sankalp in your way. Now, how to do this? You have to make 1008 Shivlingams from mud, from sand. You can do this sitting at the banks of the river, or on a seashore, or on the banks of a pond or a lake. You have to make 1008 Shivlingams and then worship them by offering rice, sandalwood powder, turmeric on it. While making this 1008 Shivlingams from sand, you can make small Shivlingams of sand very close to each other, 1008. You keep making them and worshipping them. If you are a couple, husband and wife, you both can do it together. And after making this 1008 Shivlingams, you have to do their Visarjan in the water, in the sea, river, pond, lake, anywhere. And once you do the Visarjan, it goes inside the water and it melts. So this will give you immense power. For example, if you are sitting near the sea and if you are doing it, if you want proof, there are people who come with me for Agyatwas and they have seen it. If you are sitting near the sea and if you are making the Shivlingams, of course you will be careful that you will be sitting little behind where the waves won't approach and take away your Shivlingam before the puja is complete. But once you make them and you worship them and you invite the sea to come and take them, the sea will come, the waves, you will see that they are coming up till here on both the sides, but from the center where you have made the Shivlingam, it will come ahead, forward, it will take the Shivlingams and go. Many people like Jayesh Bhai, etc., who have come with me for Agyatwas, they know this, that this happens. And the after effect of this ritual is also very powerful. It makes you very famous, rich, and powerful personality. So this is a secret which I have from many years with me. It is also mentioned in the Shiv Purana, in the story of one of the Jyotirlingams. It is mentioned. So Shiv Puran Jyotirlingam Khanda, in that you will find this story of a woman who used to do this ritual every day, and this woman was married to a man whose first wife could not get a child, but after this woman got a child, I don't remember the story well because in my childhood we had read and learnt about this. Once she gets a child, then the elder woman is jealous and she kills the child. And this woman feels a shock, but she says that this is my routine, this is my sankalp, that I have to complete this ritual of offering, making 1008 Shivlingams and then taking it to the water and putting them in the water. So I will complete it somehow. She does it and she puts that Shivlingam in the water, and Lord Shiva comes in front of her. That was the last day of her sankalp of doing this ritual. Lord Shiva comes and tells her that I am happy with you. I'll make your child alive again, and I'm going to give him a long life, and you ask for whatever boons you want to ask. So even if you cannot do it near the water body, you can do it in the privacy of your home in the night. Worship the 1008 lingams and then put them in a plate, different plates, various plates, and then you go to the sea or the river or the pond or the lake and you just offer them in the water. So big water body has to be there, and you have to offer it in that rice, turmeric and sandalwood powder, bilva patra, flowers if you can, to worship each lingam. So I hope you will surely take the benefit of this simple but powerful and possible remedy. Hari Om Tat Sat.